Hey guys. So guys, there is this new company that is paying people to train AI. All right. And this with this company you can be able to earn over, let me say, you can be able to earn from 40 to $300 per task. All right. And some of these tasks they just take around they take about 2 hours or 1 hour depending on how skilled you are in the particular project that you will be taking. And the project, they have projects for economics, like they have they have different type of projects. They have tech projects, they have economic projects, they have nursing, they have health and medicine. Under health and medicine they have nursing, then they have different, I think, different projects that you can actually do. And for this site, what I'm going to tell you is this site actually pays for per deliveries. That is, you go to the site, there are so many tasks, there are so many projects that you can do. If you complete one project and they approve it, you're getting paid instantly. All right, you won't have to wait for month end for you to receive your payment. No, they pay you instantly. So for this type of tax, you need to have a CV. If you don't know how to write a CV, you can get to Claude AI. Claude AI can help you, or there are other sites that help to write out professional CV. But those ones are actually good professional. You have to pay for it, and this job, or should I say this tax or this project, is global. So no matter where you are in the world, you can actually go for this. All right, you can apply for this. And now, one thing I actually love about this is that when you refer someone and the person get any project or any project approved or any deliveries accepted, right? You'll be getting paid $20. Like you'll be getting paid $20. But I'm not going to put my referral link in the description. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you how to go about it. All right. So you yourself, you can go to Google and you search for the site, and then you apply for whichever one you know you're qualified for. And also you can do multiple tasks at the same time. You can do multiple tasks at once. You can apply for multiple tasks at once for people that have knowledge in IT, people that have knowledge in health, medicine, accountant. If you have knowledge in it, you can actually apply for so many ones, so many, and you'll be making your money. All right, guys. So don't forget to like this video, right? If this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can as well comment in the comment section if you have any question. All right, so let's get started. All right. So before we get in, okay. So the name of the site is called Veto AI, and before we proceed, I want you to know some few things about Veto AI. So Veto AI is an AI data annotation and evaluation platforms that helps train and improve advanced AI models. The company connects freelancers and experts with remote projects where they review, label, test, and evaluate AI responses. So, Veto helps AI companies train smarter AI systems, provide data annotation and AI evaluation tasks, uses human reviewers to improve AI accuracy and safety, and also work on projects related to text, coding, healthcare, finance, educations, and emotional safety scenarios. So, Veto provides work remotely on AI response evaluation, data labeling, safety testing, role play conversations for AI training, reviewing chatbot answers, specialized expert tasks, encoding law, health, and finance. So for the payment, some tax reportedly pays around $30 to $100 per hour, depending on skill level. Simpler tasks may pay per deliverable or project, and experts in coding or professionals field usually earn more, up to $300 per task. So let's get into it. So let's check out the position where you'll be getting paid 40 to $300 per deliveries. All right. So this position is called Senior Software Code Reviewer. So the pay for this per delivery is 40 to 300 US dollar per delivery. And for referral, if you refer someone and that person have their first tax approved, you will be getting paid 20 US dollars. All right. So about veto related to the job that you're applying for or the project or the task, we have the information here. It said it's a tech company focused on building and scaling high quality data sets for artificial intelligence systems. And I already spoke about this in the intro. So about the project, this project focuses on the technical review and validation of coding tasks used to train AI models. Coding challenges are generated automatically by AI, and your role is to evaluate quality of the challenge. So the core questions you will be answering on every task are the requirements well defined? Are the associated text correctly validating the requirement? Texts are treated as the mechanisms of truth in this context. Mistake here propagate at scale into AI systems. Error criticality is high. So for languages, tax in this project involves code written across multiple languages. So you'll be expected to review and evaluate tax in any of the following: Raf, Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Go, Rust, Java. So responsibilities, you're to evaluate whether the coding text itself is clearly and correctly defined, and validate whether tests accurately reflect whether the problem has been solved. And you're to determine whether a solution that passes the test genuinely solved the underlying problems. And you're to apply strict technical criteria and quality standards consistently across tasks. So, required profile. This role is designed for mid and senior level software engineers with real professional experiences. All right. So, technical requirement: proven professional experience in software development, experience reviewing and evaluating code written by other engineers, solid understanding of automated testing, how tests validate or fail to validate, experience contributing to or working with open source projects, high attention to detail and strong technical judgment, comfortable working fully in English, reading and writing. So nice to have experience with text, test driven development or test design, familiarity with large or complex code bases. So selection process. The selection process is fully um asynchronous and consists of two phases. The first is the application phase. You submit your profile through the application form. They evaluate candidate based on the professional background, open source contributions, and screening responses. There are no interviews. Technical exercise, that's the second phase. Shortlisted candidates will receive a short technical exercise consisting of real coding tasks in the languages they selected. The exercise simulates the actual work. You review generated code and assesses whether it correctly solves the problem and whether the associated texts are valid. Performance on this exercise is a primary selection criterion. Candidate who passes both phases will be onboarded directly into the project. So this role is not about writing more code. It's about technical judgment, rigor, and responsibility. So if you're comfortable challenging problem definitions, questioning text that pass but are wrong, and acting as a technical quality gate, this project is for you. So for application, The application process, you put in your CV. Like I said before, if you don't know how to write a CV, first of all, before applying for this very job, this particular job, you need to be someone who can actually write a professional CV, like a very good CV, because this job is for professionals. So you have to feed in your LinkedIn profile. So you need to have a LinkedIn account. You have to put your GitHub profile, and you have to fill in these informations, like just check the ones are correct. Have you contributed to open source project? Yes or no? And you read, yes, I've contributed code. Yes, I've contributed in other ways. No, no. Yeah. So are you available to dedicate at least 90 minutes per day to task-based work? What is your English level? What is your overall level of professional software development skill? So you feed in your skill. Which of the following program languages do you have professional level proficiency in? So you feed in that, you submit your application. So that's for this one. There are other ones. All right. So you just have to choose the one you can go for. We have emotional distress, planning AI project. This is nutritional expert, marketing expert, safety project, consulting expert, engineering expert, legal expert, coding and data automation expert, Q&A expert, wellness expert, sales and shopping expert, health expert, education expert, investment, travel expert, and the last one, which is a senior software code reviewer. So guys, that's all. Make sure you like this video and you subscribe to my channel, all right? And if in case your own what you can do is not here, just keep it in mind that they can actually, or they can always add up other projects in the future, all right? So you can be coming back once in a while to check. And I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment in the comment section if you have any question. Bye.